Hello students, today we will learn about identification of electronics components. So our first component is resistor. Resistor is passive two terminal device. It has no polarity and the unit of resistor is ohm. This resistor is opposes the flow of current. The symbol of resistor is shown in this presentation. Resistor is denoted by R, and the 3 band resistors, 4 band resistor, 5 band resistor are available in the market. In the 4 band resistor, the first two bands are digit, the third one is a multiplier, and fourth one is a tolerance band. The gold and silver, for the gold the tolerance is plus minus 5%, and for the silver it is plus minus 10%. The next one is a capacitor. Capacitor has two terminals, anode and cathode. Anode is positive, cathode is negative. There are multiple types of capacitor, electrolytic capacitor, ceramic capacitor, film capacitor, fan capacitor, mica capacitor. But the two main useful capacitors are electrolytic capacitor and ceramic capacitor. The ceramic capacitor has no terminals, it has no polarity, but the electrolytic capacitor, it has a polarity. The long terminal is anode and short terminal is cathode. This capacitor is a passive two terminal device. It has an electrical component used to store energy electrostatically in an electric field, and the unit of capacitor is farad. The next device is inductor. This inductor is a passive electronic component which is capable of storing electrical energy in the form of magnetic energy. Unit of inductor is Henry. There are multiple types of inductors are available: air core inductor, iron core inductor, ferrite core inductor, variable inductors, and the practical view of inductors are shown in this page. That is air wound inductor, ferrite core inductor, and SMT inductor. The next device is diode. Diode has two terminals, anode and cathode. Anode is positive and cathode is negative. In the diode symbol, the ring side, the golden ring is this side is a cathode and another side is anode. The multiple value diodes are available in the market. This diode is a semiconductor device that acts as a one-way switch for a current. It allows current to flow easily in one direction, but severally it restricts current from flowing in the opposite direction. The next device is Zener diode. This Zener diode is a silicon semiconductor device that permits current to flow in either a forward or reverse direction. This Zener diodes are used for voltage regulation. It has two terminals, anode and cathode, and the practically it looks like this, the Zener diode practical view. The next device is LED. It is light emitting diode. It has two terminals, anode and cathode. Anode is positive, cathode is negative. The multiple colors LED are available in the market. In the practical view of LED, the long terminal is anode and short terminal is cathode. This LED is a semiconductor light source that emits light when current flow through it. The next device is LASIA, that is light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. The symbol of LASIR is shown here. It has two terminals, anode cathode. Anode is positive, cathode is negative. This laser diode can directly convert electrical energy into light energy. And next device is IC. IC stands for integrated circuit. The symbol and practical view of IC is shown in this page. And IC is a small chip that can function as an amplifier, oscillator, timer, microprocessor, or even a computer memory. The next type is transistor. The symbol of transistor is shown here. A transistor has two types, NPN transistor and PNP transistor. It has three terminals, collector, base and emitter. The arrow is always at the emitter terminal. In the NPN transistor, the arrow direction is outward, and in the PNP transistor, the arrow direction is inward direction. In the practical view of transistor, it has three terminals, collector, base, emitter. Terminal 1 is collector, terminal 2 middle terminal is a base terminal, and terminal 3 is a emitter terminal. This transistor is a miniature electronic component that can do two different jobs. It can work either as an amplifier or as a switch. The next device is a battery. The symbol of battery is shown here, and the AC is alternating current and DC is direct current. This battery is a combination of two or more cells electrically connected to work together to produce electric energy. And the last one is a breadboard. The diagram of breadboard, practical view of breadboard is shown here. The top rows and bottom rows are linked horizontally, and the columns are linked vertically. This breadboard is used to connect devices like resistor, capacitor, inductor, and the purpose of this breadboard is to make quick electrical connections between components like resistor, led, capacitor, etc. That can test your circuit before permanently soldering it to the together. Thank you.